Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Toyota Highlander key fob. You need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver, but you can just use the key blade, but I think a screwdriver is easier. First thing you want to do is take this, slide it this way, and pull out your mechanical key. Now that you have your mechanical key out, place it in this slot right here. Give that a gentle twist like that, and there is your battery. Now you can take your mechanical key right there, but I think a little screwdriver is a whole lot easier. Take out your old battery. New battery goes in positive side facing up. All you need to do is squeeze this back together and replace your mechanical key. Give it a test. Make sure your red light's working and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.